We know that these are tough times for broadcasters. The recession has hit hard in the advertising business. All the more reason, we think, to intensify cooperation as soon as possible on developing new digital television revenue streams. We believe interactivity will add value, not compete with linear television viewing. And the good news is that many public and private broadcasters are starting to see the opportunities to reduce the reliance on advertising as a fairly cyclical revenue stream. Several broadcasters, and I'm sure that we will hear more about it today and in the coming day, now engage in projects to expand the HD product range, to start interactive and on-demand portals, and to have something as simple but extremely popular, we find, as catch-up television. I think broadcasting and cable are starting to realize how much our mutual commercial successes depend on each other. That message of audiovisual interdependence is one that we keep conveying to regulators all over Europe, and certainly also here in Brussels. It's good to be in Brussels again with our annual show. The last time we were here, it was 2002, and we had come a long way since then. The audience is, I can assure you, a lot bigger. In the past years, this convention has traveled around Europe from Prague, Budapest, Vienna, to Amsterdam, Madrid, and Berlin. And in all of those cities, we witnessed an enthusiastic cable industry, strong content and technology partners, and generally very supportive policymakers. And that's why Brussels remains a crucial stop on the road. Obviously, we are in a constant dialogue with the European Parliament, the Commission, and the Council, but bringing the entire industry here in this city does give another dimension to the representation of cable to those institutions. In the dedicated policy sessions later today, I'm sure that we will have a good stab at the many themes for the coming year, and they range from next generation competition to copyright reform, net neutrality, and the digital dividend situation. The one thing I wanted to conclude here with is a word of sincere gratitude to Caroline and her team for the relentless work here in Brussels to establish Cable Europe as an indispensable partner on ICT and audiovisual policies. And more concretely, today, the Cable Europe team put this great annual show together again in the center of Brussels. We all owe you. With that, I wish you all a very successful conference, and I officially declare the 2010 Cable Congress opened. Thank you very much.